Good afternoon and welcome to Garlieston Lodge Camping and Caravan Club CS certified site. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is something a little bit special. If you want somewhere that's really out of the way, literally within 5 minutes walk of the harbour, lovely walks along the seafront, but somewhere that's in really tranquil, surrounding, this is the place to come. We're up in Dumfries and Galloway, and we'll take you for a little wander around the site. So first of all, let's go through what are the heaviest access gates you will ever open.
Alistair knows because she's got to open and shut them.
It's literally like going onto a little stately home estate, isn't it, opening these gates. Right, we'll crack on. Turn you round. Have you got them, Al? It's a lovely little driveway. Now, adjacent to this CS site is also the Caravan and Motorhome Club site next door. Right, so I'll give you a quick look at this bit and I'll drop in a photo just so you get a comparison. That's the club site, or part of the club site. Obviously everybody knows tarmac grey grass, 3 metres apart, 2 pegs. That's your lot. Right, we'll now take you on to what is a little gem. That's nearly £10 a night cheaper. Well, it was when we were booking anyway. Right, so we've got a lovely little approach, and this is the house of the owner, and reception is kind of tagged onto it just at the bottom. So a quick look down this little site. What we've got there is the reception on the right hand side. So you literally, as you come in, you just pull down the hill to this little stop sign on the post, walk up to reception, there's a bell there to ring them, they'll come out and sort you out. To the left we have the bins that are divided up: general, glass, recycle, chemical waste disposal point, and grey waste disposal point. Don't worry, there is a motorhome service point further round and additional water points as well. This is also the site facilities now. Whilst they may look to be only small, there's only one toilet, one shower, of course. Every van, caravan has already got a toilet in, so it's really only the camper vans that want this, and the tent, of course. I'm going to take you a quick look inside. Like I said, it is small, but we won't talk about the number of rosettes that have come, and these are all from the camping club. So the different years, some are duplicated, but at the end of the day, this is an award-winning site available here. Over the noise of the fridge, unfortunately, you can see there we've got, hopefully you won't hear too much with the radio and get a strike off YouTube, but we've got a toilet there. It's only small. Shower next door. That's about it. Won't hang around. There's a hairdryer there if you want it. Ali in the mirror. Hello.
Hello.
Right, there you are, and that's what's sold here. Loads of details. If you want anything, you'll literally just head over to reception. They sort that out. Right, we'll head back out and have a wander around the site. We've got a cracking week for being up here as well this Easter, so you're getting to see the site in probably its best at this time of year.
Crack and duck eggs.
Do apologise if there's any noise. There is a little bit of a breeze. We're just round about tide time, so I'll just turn you around so you can see reception there at the top of the path there. We'll wander down onto the site. So it's not a big site at all. These are a few just small buildings that they use for keeping the site, so that's where they keep the lawnmower and different things. I wouldn't say it's manicured, but it's well looked after. Available. We've actually had the duck eggs, haven't we?
Yeah, they're gorgeous.
Absolutely lovely. If you follow us on Instagram, you'll be able to take a look at breakfast with them. There's the chickens and the ducks, where the eggs come from. So they're fresh every single day. In fact, I went up this morning to ask for some duck eggs. They haven't got any. I've got to wait for the ducks to lay some, and then I'll get some. That's how fresh they are. So just here, right at the very front, I'll just try and pan down a little bit there. There you are, motorhome service point. You just lift that up and put your pipe into there, and as we go along the side of the building, there's a hose pipe there for filling your tanks up. There's a couple of, well, mainly motorhomes and camper vans on here, aren't there? I think there's only, 3 caravans?
Yeah.
3 or 4 caravans on the whole site. So this is the first area. 2, 3, 4, 5 pitches here. Nice small site, but well spread apart. And we'll take you for a walk around the lake before we show you the other side of the site. So there's a stream that runs that basically divides the CS site from the Caravan and Motorhome Club site. And there's a lovely little path. Right, we can just take a minute out from doing the video to thank our sponsors who are Cover for Caravans. If you're in the market for caravan insurance, please check out the link in the description below. But oh, by the way, we've got a fantastic number of new subscribers to the channel, so new and old, really do appreciate your support and thank you very much. I'm sure you'll enjoy the content that's coming. If you're not already, click on that notification bell and then you get notified of all the uploads that we do over the coming period. Alright, thanks a lot. We'll get back to the video. See you in a bit. Now, for those of you that like the sound of running water, there's a river stream, they call it a burn, So we'll just give you a quick look at what you get right alongside the site. So this is the burn. Just tilt you down on the gimbal if we can. Little weir there. Little footbridge, dog walk down that side of the site. And then the river just carries on. If I can just raise this gimbal a touch. There we are. And the river just carries on down. Let's head back onto the site and have a walk around the lake. So I've been here for what? 3 days now?
3 days today.
And it's been absolutely glorious all the time we've been here. Just walking across and round the lake. It's a small trout fishery, so if you want to do a little bit of fly fishing, it is catch and release, so unfortunately no trout going on the dinner table. But to say you can really sit and relax, you really can. So I'll take you onto the first peg and let you just look over towards where we are. And there we are, that's the second part of the site. There's basically the caravan there that looks like it's in long-term storage. There is a pitch next to it. Then there's our caravan, a little motorhome there, and then a caravan at the back and a motorhome, and that's the other side of the site. So we're looking at 10 pitches in total. I'll just pan you around this gorgeous lake.
Tell them about that.
So the dog walk runs over the other bridge where we started and runs down the side of the opposite side of the bank, out onto a little lane, and sort of loops its way back. It's probably about 10 minutes walk for the dog walk. It's absolutely glorious.
It's on here as well. As well as the ducks running around.
Yeah, and that's important, isn't it? Really, if you're on this site, because where we showed you up there, they have got the hens and the ducks. They are free to roam, and that's the biggest problem with the duck eggs, is that they don't always lay the eggs in the duck house. So he goes, 8 o'clock in the morning.
He goes looking for the duck eggs.
He's out with a bucket going looking, yeah. So dogs really must
be on a lead
at all times, yeah, when on the site, just purely for the safety of the animals, yeah. So as we walk round the little lake, we can see just to the left here is a summer house, wooden hut.
Yeah, summer house.
It's a little evening like community hub. For those that are interested, of course, it's not essential. You're not forced or anything of that nature. But what you can do is meet up here between sort of 6 and 8.
Yeah, there's plenty of bottles outside.
You bring your own booze or whatever you want to drink, and sit and just have a little chinwag with the rest of the people who were on site at the time. So there we are. Dogs welcome, humans tolerated, and that's the details. Inside I'll just show you through the window. You can see tables and chairs and a few odds and sods. And it's locked at the moment. Just sitting with that view is just fantastic, isn't it?
I haven't gone off site.
And there you are. So we'll take you back. Head over to our lovely little caravan here. And that concludes a quick site tour of Garlieston Lodge CS Caravan and Camping Club site. All the links will be in the description below, so you can visit the website. All the bookings and all the rest of it are all there. What a fantastic location.
Beautiful site, beautiful.
Right, till next time, you take care, stay safe, and we will catch up with you in the next one. Ta-da!
Bye.